Hi students, this is Mahima Gupta and today we are going to start our next chapter, chapter number 5, and the title is Introduction to Logo. So let's move to the next slide. What is logo? So the very first thing that we have to understand is the definition of logo. Logo is one of the easiest, oldest and most user-friendly computer language designed especially for kids. So we can easily understand from this line that logo is an computer language and it is very easy and simple also so that it can be easily used by kids. The full form of logo is language of graphic oriented and it was developed by Seymour Papert. Logo is available in many versions such as DOS logo, PC logo, and MSW logo, etc. So these are the various characteristics of logo. Now here, starting logo. Now how to start logo? So the various steps for starting logo are as follows. To open logo, these steps are to be followed. The first one is click on start. Firstly, we have to click on start button of the computer which is available on the left hand side at the bottom of our desktop. Then you have to click on all program. After that, you have to click on Microsoft Windows logo. Then you have to choose and click on Microsoft Windows logo option. The MSW logo screen opens and will appear on your desktop. Okay. So these are the various steps for starting logo in your computer. You can see here. For starting logo, firstly you have to click on this button. This is a start button. Then you have to click on all program. After that, you have to click on Microsoft window logo. From here you have to click on Microsoft Windows logo. In this way you can start the logo in your computer. Okay. Now next one, you can see this is the logo screen. Okay, it is very simple and easy to understand. This is the logo screen. You can see this is drawing area and this triangular cursor or bar, we can say it is turtle. Okay, and this white color area is drawing area. This one is commander window, and these are the various buttons which are to be used for performing various functions in this drawing area. So this is the logo screen. Now here we will discuss about what is turtle. In the center of the main screen you will see a small triangle. This is called the turtle. Okay, that triangular icon on the screen in the center of the drawing area is called as turtle. It can move in any direction. With the help of command, you can move the turtle in any of the direction. The logo gets a triangular shaped pen from the turtle's triangular back. You can see in the image. Okay, the shape of turtle is like this, na? Like the back of a turtle or tortoise. That's why the name is derived to this turtle. That is why logo pen is known as turtle. Now next one, commander window. Now what is the meaning of commander window? The commander window contains the input box where you type your instruction. Okay, here you can see this bar. This bar is called as command input box. You can simply type your command here for performing any of the work. It is used to give command to logo. The commander window is divided into three parts. Okay, this commander window is divided into three parts and it is used for giving command to your drawing area. This one is called as recall list box. This one is called as command button. Okay, these are the various command buttons. This is command input box and this is recall list box. If you want to repeat any of the command which you had used earlier, then you can simply select that command by clicking in this box. Okay, now next one is command input box. We will study about all the three options in detail in this slide. Now what is command input box? It is the most important part of commander window. It is the area where you type your command. Okay, any of the command which is to be given to your computer are to be typed in this box. Next one is recall list box. Now what is the meaning of recall list box? It records all the commands that you typed in the input box. Okay, double click on the command you want to repeat, select a command from the recall list box and press the enter key. Okay, in this way you can simply use the command which you had used earlier by simply double clicking on that particular command. Now what is command button? It contains variety of control buttons with specific function which can be used by the user for performing any of the particular function. So these are the functions of command input box, recall list box and command button. You can see this, okay? These are the various command buttons: halt, trace, pause, status, step, reset, execute, idle, okay? These are the various buttons, okay? And these are the uses of these buttons they will study in this slide, okay? The first is execute button. This button helps you to run the command written in the input box. By clicking on command button, you can run the command which is written in the input box. Now the next one is status button. It shows the current setting applied in the logo. It simply gives information about the current setting which I applied on the logo. Reset. It helps to clear the output screen and bring the turtle back into the center of the screen. It's like clear screen. Okay, reset button is like clear screen. It simply clear the whole window and give you a new document and a turtle in the center of the screen. Trace. This turns the trace command on, which helps in debugging in your program. Debugging is a function which is simply performed by the user in the computer. Okay, for checking the uh, correct, we can say correct working of the computer of the program. So that function can be performed by trace button. Now halt. This stop the logo action immediately. This button is used for closing the or for stopping the logo action immediately. Then step. This step button turns on the single stepping for debugging your program. With the help of this button, you can simply perform debugging function step by step. Okay. Now next button is pause. Logo stops the action temporarily and wait for the continue command. If you click on pause button, you can simply stop the we can say action for small time, for a little time, so that you can continue the function after some minutes or some seconds. Okay, so for that purpose pause button is used, and halt is used for directly stopping the action. Okay, so this is for pausing the action and this is for stopping. This is the difference between halt and pause button. Next one is idle. This button opens up editor window to write command. If you want to write any of the command in the editor window, then you have to click on idle button. So these are the various uses of the particular buttons. Now the next one is logo command. What are the various logo command? So the first command is forward. Now what is the working of forward command? Forward command makes the turtle move in a forward direction by given number of steps. The short form for forward is FD. Okay. Now this command is used for moving the cursor in front, or we can say in forward direction. Okay. And the syntax for using this command is you have to type FD, then you have to give the number of steps that are to be uh, we can say taken by the turtle. Okay, then you have to click on enter. So this is the syntax for using FD command. Next is back. Back command moves the turtle backward by the given number of steps. The short form of backward is BK. Just like forward command is used for moving in forward direction and back command is used for moving in the backward direction. Okay, and the syntax is simply that BK, then you have to type the number of steps, then you have to click on enter. Now the next one is right and left. These are the another command. To turn the turtle right or left, okay, we can use right and left command respectively. The short form of right is RT and for left LT. These commands are also followed by a number which indicate the angle of rotation. Okay, you have to give an angle of rotation for moving the cursor or for moving the turtle in right or left side. Syntax for using this command is for right direction RT, then you have to give the angle by which the turtle turns toward right, then press enter. And for left, you have to write LT, then angle by which the turtle turns toward left, then press enter. So this is the syntax for using right and left command. Now, what are the various steps for making a square? If you want to draw a square in your drawing area, then what are the various steps? So we will discuss about these steps in this slide. So here are the commands to make a square. The first step is type FD100. You have to type FD100. This will lead to a turtle to move forward by 100 steps. Then you have to type RT90. By using this command, you can move your cursor in right direction with a 90-degree angle. Then you have to click on FD100, means your cursor again move in forward direction, means in right direction for 100 steps. Then again RT90 means right turn with 90 degree. Then FD means forward 100 steps. Then RT90 means again a right turn with 90 degree. Then FD100 means forward direction 100 steps. Then after that in the ending you have to click on RT90 means right turn with 90-degree angle. So these are the various steps for making a square. These are very simple. Just learn the 2 steps and then repeat these steps for 4 times. Okay. You can see by using the following commands, you can simply draw a square in your drawing area. Now the next one is clear screen and clear text command. Okay, clear screen and clear text command. The clear screen or clear CS, the short of clear screen is CS command clears the screen. It is used to erase the drawing on the screen. You have to understand the difference. CS is used for clearing the screen. It is used for erasing the drawing on the screen. And CT means clear text. Command clears the text in the commander window. It is used for clearing the text in the commander window. Okay. It is used for clearing screen. And CT is used for clearing commander window. This is the difference between CS and CT. Syntax for CT is CT then enter. And for using CS then enter. So these are the steps and these are the syntax for using clear screen and clear text. Now print command. Now what is the working of print command? The print or PR command displays text or numbers in the commander window. Okay, with the help of this command, you can display text or numbers in the commander window. If you want to print a number, type print or PR. Give a space and then type the number. By simply doing this, you can type the character or number on your screen. If a single word is to be printed, a single quote or a single enclosed square bracket is used, just like this. I will show. Here you can see. For example, you have to type hello because this is a single word. So you can type this hello by using these 3 methods. The first one is simply type PR, then single enclosed, then hello. And you can also use this method PR, then square bracket, then hello. And you can also use this one, okay, PR, then enclosed bracket and hello inside it. So this is the method for using or for printing any text in your drawing area. And if a sentence is to be printed, if you want to print a particular sentence, then you have to use in square bracket. The text, the line should be enclosed in a square bracket. Just like this. For example, PR, then square bracket open, I like computer, then square bracket close. This method is compulsory for typing or for printing a whole sentence. Now logo arithmetic. Arithmetic means addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Yes. So now how to perform arithmetic in logo? These are the way. The first one is addition. This is used to add 2 numbers just like this. You have to write print then 20 plus 30. The output will be displayed 50 on the logo screen. If you want to perform subtraction to subtract 2 number, then this syntax is to be followed. Print 40 minus 30, output 10. If you want just like this, here you can see PR 40 plus 20, the answer will be 60. PR 40 minus 30, this one. So you can see here the various arithmetic working are performed with the help of logo. You can see here in the picture multiplication. It is used to multiply 2 number. Print 50 into 10, the output will be displayed 500. and just like division, okay, to divide two numbers, just like this. Print 15 divided by 5 and the output will be displayed as 3. Exit logo, okay, this is the last thing which is to be performed, and it is used for exiting the logo window. Now what is the steps and how to exit logo? In order to exit logo, type the command by in the input box of the commander window and press enter key. It is very simple. You have to simply click on exit. You have to simply click on commander window and you have to type by command on that window. In this way you can exit logo. So this is the logo chapter. I hope you understand. Okay, study well and we will meet in our next video. Okay, thank you.